April, May, and June have 90 sweets between them. May has 3/4 of the number of sweets than June has. April has 2/3 of the number of sweets than May has. How many sweets does June have? So first of all, for May, it says May has 3/4 of the number of sweets than June has. So here we can see the word of. So 3/4 of means times, so times June has. So we don't know how many sweets does June has. So we can just write it out as J. And now for April. April has 2/3 of, again, times the number of sweets than May has. Now this time we cannot write times J because it's saying May, not June. So we know that May is 2/4 times J, so 2/4. Here we can just write it out 3/4 J. So if we times them, it will give us 1/2 J. And now for June, we don't know how many sweets does June have. So we can just write it out as J. So now we want to know how many sweets does June have. And here it says the total number of sweets is 90. So we're gonna write 90. And it says April, May, and June have 90 sweets between them. So we can write it out as 1/2J plus May, which is 3/4 J, plus June. So this is April, this is May, and this is June. So if we add them all up, it is going to be 2.25. So 90 divided by 2.25 is equal to J. And 90 divided by 2.25 is 40 is equal to J. So we know that June is 40. So the answer is B.